हर यार वफादार नहीं होता, हर पत्थर चमकदार नहीं होता, न जाने वन में कितने फूल खिले हैं, हर फूल खुशबूदार नहीं होता।
Hello folks, this is Aditya from Inspire2Rise.com and thanks for the 50k subscribers. We are giving away ATH M20X headphones and a Redragon Kumara K552 keyboard. But there's one more surprise package. So guys, apart from the great prizes for the two winners, we also have some special things. Inspire2Rise branded t-shirts for the two winners, as well as one winner who would get a special Inspire2Rise branded t-shirt, and damn, these look awesome in person. So you guys too can also rock your own Inspire2Rise branded t-shirt. And guys, everyone is born equal, but only some inspire to rise. And do take part in the giveaway, and no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.